Forgot your Apple ID password or just want to check if it's saved somewhere on your iPhone or a browser? In this video, I will show you how to find, check, recover, or change your Apple ID password using real working methods. Stick around because I will also show you how to reset your Apple ID password even if you don't remember it. Now let's get started. Now first let's start on iPhone. Go to settings of your iPhone and here please search for password and iCloud keychain. Please make sure iCloud password and keychain is always enabled in your iPhone. This will securely store passwords, credit card or more in cloud. As my this setting is already enabled, let me go ahead and try to log in into the Safari browser. Let's go to appleid.apple.com in Safari browser and sign in. Once I try to sign in, this will sign me in automatically after getting my Face ID or the passcode. Now just go ahead and check if your Apple ID and password will be showing there. Now let's switch to your laptop and if you are signed in with your Apple ID and choose to save your password, just go to Chrome settings and then the password manager, search for apple.com and you will see the saved Apple ID and the password. To change your Apple ID password on your iPhone, just go to setting of your iPhone and tap on your name and then I want you to go to sign in and security. Choose the change password. Once you have verified your Apple ID, you can go to change password right away. This method lets you reset Apple ID password without needing to know the old one as long as you are already signed in. If you don't remember your Apple ID or password at all, go to iforgot.apple.com on your browser. Enter your Apple ID or the email and Apple will show different recovery options like verification by SMS, trusted devices, or email. Once verified, you will be able to reset your password securely. And this is the official way to recover your Apple ID password if you are locked out. And just like that, we are back into cloud. Password recovered and everything working again. If this helped, give the video a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and real solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.